Hello, Caleb Dansie here with Dansie Design Build, and today we're looking at our new basement walkout entry project that we're just starting on. So we've got the layout going on and the excavation happening today, as well as the blue stakes utility locating service coming today. And just to double check everything and make sure that all the lines are marked and properly identified. So let's check it out. So this is the side yard of the home here in Riverton, Utah, where we're putting in this basement walkout entry. And this is the side yard, and there are some utilities. As you can see, there is the gas meter there on the corner of the home, as well as the air conditioning condensing unit. So over here, there is an existing concrete pad that we've broken up in preparation to do the excavation today. And then there is also some sprinkler lines that we've removed the valves and whatnot for the operation of the sprinkler. So I have located the approximate location of where the excavation or the foundation walls will be, and these are marked in this pink color of paint. And so this is a 5-foot wide basement walkout entry, and the door will be centered between these two pink lines. And that is essentially the location of where this is going to go. So next we'll be making sure that the blue stakes are all marked. They did mark some of the utilities in the front yard. They did mark the gas line, and you can see when they come to do this, the gas is yellow, and very faintly you can see the flag. And then I don't know if it shows up on camera, but you can see that they did spray paint a little bit of a yellow line, and it has snowed in the last couple days and melted, so the paint marks can kind of fade a little bit. But we've got the gas located in the front yard, but behind the gate it was not located as of yet. So blue stakes is just coming back out just to locate this. I have hand dug this here by the gas line and identified that is where the gas line is going. But just to make it official, they're coming out to spray that and locate that line. And then the foundation of this walkout entry is approximately 2 feet away from where that gas line is actually running. So the layout worked out perfectly with how the stairs are going to go. So the way that we identify where the gas line is with yellow paint. And this equipment that he has in his hand is a locating device. And so essentially he's going to clip this little red wire on the locator line there on the gas meter. And that's wrapped around the gas line all the way down in through the ground and to the front yard, out to the main in the front yard. So then you use this black wire, which is the ground, and ground out the system so that this device in his right hand, this yellow locator passive machine, can find that wire and beep a signal. Then so you can hear where that is at, similar to like a metal detector. So we're going to move into the front yard here and find where the gas line is. It was originally marked in an incorrect spot, and so he's picking up a different signal, and he maybe thinks that it's the power line. The power line's on the other side of the house, so that is indeed the gas line on this side of the house here. And so he's going to remark that, and then we'll know exactly where that is. And even though we're not digging in the front yard, it's marked, and so everybody knows where everything's at. And so once we get all of the utility lines marked and we know that there's nothing in our area that we're excavating, then we are good to start digging. In the event that there is something, we just have to dig by hand within 2 feet of anywhere that they mark, and then we're good to go. So when we're digging these walkouts, there's quite a bit of dirt that comes out of here. That is something to be aware of. Is we're here, I mean, there's a full-size pickup truck right there. You can just see the raw amount of material that has to come out of one of these holes. And this one's probably only halfway done, and we've taken out 3 trailer loads already. So we can actually keep working on site. So there's quite a bit of material that comes out. And then when we dig down here, you can see at the bottom there, the footing, and that is what the house rests on. The foundation rests on the footing there. And we're going to cut the foundation wall at the footing so that the new concrete from the landing of the walkout can flow right into there under the threshold of the door that we install. So it has a nice seamless transition into the basement. So we're going to keep digging here and hauling out the excess spoils. And the only amount that we're going to try to leave here is the exact amount that we need to backfill the excavation after the foundation walls are set. And then today, because the weather's no good for tomorrow, we put this tarp on here for our excavation so that it doesn't get rained on or get too muddy. So we'll be able to be in good shape for tomorrow. When we come back, it will be all ready to go.